In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix VLC not playing MKV files on your PC. This is a very common issue on Windows, where MKV videos either won't open, show a black screen, or play audio with no video. The good news is that this can usually be fixed in just a few minutes by changing the right VLC settings. I'll walk you through everything step by step, and by the end of this video, your MKV files should play normally again. If this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more easy PC and software fixes. Alright, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and open VLC Media Player on your PC. Make sure VLC is fully launched and not minimized in the background. Once VLC is open, look at the top menu bar and click on Tools. From the drop-down menu, click on Preferences. This will open the VLC settings window. By default, VLC shows simplified settings, but we need advanced options to fix MKV playback issues. So at the bottom left of the Preferences window, look for the Show Settings section. Select All instead of Simple. As soon as you do that, you'll see a full list of advanced settings appear on the left side. Now, in the left panel, scroll down and expand Input/Codecs by clicking the arrow next to it. Under Input/Codecs, find and click on Video Codecs. This section controls how VLC decodes and plays video formats, like MKV. On the right side, look for the option called Hardware Accelerated Decoding. This setting is often the main reason MKV files fail to play correctly. Click the drop-down next to it and change the value to Disable. Disabling hardware acceleration forces VLC to use software decoding, which is much more stable for MKV files on many systems. Next, still under Input/Codecs, look for the option called Skip H.264 in Loop Deblocking Filter. This step is optional, but it can improve playback performance and fix stuttering or freezing issues. Change the setting to All. This helps VLC handle certain MKV video streams more smoothly, especially on older or mid-range PCs. Once you've made these changes, click the Save button at the bottom of the window. Now close VLC Media Player completely. Make sure it's fully closed and not running in the system tray. Then reopen VLC again so the new settings can take effect. After reopening VLC, click on Media in the top menu, then select Open File. Browse to the MKV file that wasn't playing before and open it. At this point, the video should start playing normally with both video and audio working correctly. If the file still doesn't play, make sure you're using the latest version of VLC by checking for updates on the official VLC website. In most cases though, disabling hardware acceleration fixes the problem instantly. And that's it, you've successfully fixed VLC not playing MKV files on your PC using a simple settings change. If this video helped you, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and turn on notifications so you don't miss future tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.